Skytrak is a personal launch monitor that provides accurate launch data for golfers of all skill levels. With every shot you hit, the system collects quality data that helps identify strengths and weaknesses in your game. You get to see your numbers and know when you've hit a good shot, or a great one. With Skytrak's accurate and reliable golf ball measurements, the following data parameters are captured for every shot: ball speed, launch angle, backspin, side spin, and side angle. By collecting this set of data, the physics of golf can be used to project the actual ball flight. This simple concept is the foundation of how Skytrak works. At first, this may seem like a lot to digest, but each element is critical to creating an accurate picture of each shot. Let's break these down so you get a better understanding of each. Probably the most important element is ball speed. It has the greatest effect on total distance out of all the data collected. Ball speed is affected by club speed, the impact position on the club face, and the rebound of the ball. This is an easy one because basically, the higher the speed, the longer the distance potential. The launch angle measures the vertical angle of the golf ball in relation to the ground as it leaves your club face. It has the greatest impact on how high the ball flies. With higher launch angles, you see higher shots. Ideally, your shot will have an optimal launch angle, which means they are not too high or too low. Backspin has the greatest effect on ball flight efficiency. Backspin measures the vertical rotation of the ball in relation to the ground as it leaves the club face. It works together with launch angle to determine the flight path of your shot in regards to distance. You can control the height of the shot with backspin. The more backspin, the higher the ball flies, the longer it hangs in the air, and the shorter it rolls. Another key element is side spin. Think of this as the horizontal rotation of the ball in relation to the ground as it leaves your club. Why is it important? It works together with side angle to determine the overall shape of your shot. Whether it was straight, a hook or draw, or a fade or a slice, you typically want to see low side spin so your ball flies straighter. Side angle is the horizontal angle or direction the ball travels in relation to the target line as the ball is leaving the club face. How does it work? Too much side angle causes the ball to travel further offline to the target, causing a push or a pull. With less side angle, your shot is more accurate and travels closer to the intended target line. The golf ball really only spins on one axis, but we divide it into backspin and side spin to make it easier to understand and to make changes to your swing or equipment. So another term you may hear in the industry is spin axis, which measures the tilt of this single axis. If the spin axis is 0, then the ball flies in a straight line. If the spin axis is tilted left or right, then the ball flies along a curved path to the left or the right. This summary should give you a solid overview of the data Skytrak collects for each shot and a basic understanding of the data available in the Skytrak app. Not many golfers know all the data behind their swing mechanics. The science behind Skytrak offers the opportunity for you to know your game inside and out. Visit skytrakgolf.com for more videos and to learn more about Skytrak.